Hello friend, welcome back. In this fifth video for C programming language, we'll try to let the user input two integers and we'll output the sum of them. Okay, so let's get started. So we have two. Okay, now let's remove everything here. Remove star. Yes. Okay, now it's empty. And control, we can use clear to clean up the screen. Okay, or the shortcut for the clear is control L. Okay, so now it's empty. Control L. Okay, let's create a sum.c. Okay, and let's start from scratch. Include standardIO.h, the header file. The main function return an integer, so we can do return 0 and that, right? That's the scan code. And I'll introduce a new vim command, like let's put the cursor here and press O under command mode. Okay, you see, you will enter the insert mode automatically and put the cursor in a good place. Okay, so we'll print out a prompt, input two ints. Okay, like that. Then we'll define two integers, right? Int a, and we can do that, right? Int a and b, or we can just put them in the same line, separated by a comma, a and b. Now this is new. Scan format string, right? Two integers. We'll scan two integers. Okay, don't forget this one ampersand to get the address of a, address of variable a, and address of variable b, like that. So it means we'll collect the input, two inputs from the standard input, which is keyboard, right? Two numbers. The first one will be put into the variable a. So this is the address of a, so we'll put the content into that address, that memory place. So meaning we assigned a with the first input and assign b with the second integer, right? %d means decimal number integer. Okay, so now we'll print out some equals placeholder here and line break. Now here is a plus b, right? The sum of them. Okay, let's give it a try. ls, we have, yeah, right, cat to show the content of that. Okay, control L to clean up ls. Now that's gcc, right? GNU C compiler, GNU C compiler, compile, right? gcc to compile the source code like that, and we'll get the 8.out binary file. Okay, so to run it, we use /. This means the current directory. Yeah, 8.out. Input two integers. Okay, what about 3 and space and 8? Enter. Sum equals 11. Yes, it's correct. How do we make it more user-friendly? Sum of two numbers, right, is 11. Okay, let's do it. So how can we do that? sum of placeholder and placeholder is, okay, right? The first one will put A, the second one will put B. So you see the printf can accept different number, right? Dynamic number of arguments, right? Currently the first one is format string, the output, right, with three placeholders, then 3 variables. Okay, so totally there are 4 arguments here in this function. Now let's try it again. Recompile gcc sum.dat and let's run it. A.out, 2 numbers this time. What about -2 and -9? No. 100. Sum of -2 and -100 is, wow, cool. I like it. And thank you for watching. See you next time.